In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the C++ interface to OpenCV. We're going to open an image, access to the pixels, and write the pixels in a different way to inverse the image, as you can see here. So the first step is to show you the code, and here it is. The first thing that you have to do is to include one file, this OpenCV.hpp, and that's everything included there. Then all the functionality of the C++ interface is inside the CV namespace, so you can start using it from here. I defined two functions for this example, one for processing the images and another one for displaying the images. And here you can see the two images that I defined, image and process image, but the important thing is that I'm using MAT from matrix, and this is the main difference from the C interface, which used IPL images. The C++ interface uses matrix for storing images. Okay, so here's the main code. I create two windows with names, image and processed image. I load the image with this function, IMRead, and you only need to give it the path of the image here, as you can see. So if the image is empty for any reason, the program will exit. Okay, so first I process the images and then I display the images. And this line is just for waiting for the user to press any key on the keyboard. And that's it. When the program is finished, you don't need to release any memory in the C++ interface. Everything is done automatically using the destructors of the objects that you create. So you don't need to manually release memory. As in the C interface, you need to release memory manually, but in the C++ interface, you don't need to do that. So now for displaying graphics, it's very easy. Just call IMShow with the name of the window and the specific image that you want to show in that window. And in the process image, we're going to use vector of pixel. Actually is free unsigned chars vector. So you can use that in the C++ interface, and also the three colors, as you can see here. So the first step is to clone the image. So if you have one image, you can just call the method clone, and you will have a process image. If you were using this image before, it doesn't matter. Everything will be removed. All the memory that you were using will be cleaned. And if you don't have anything allocated here, everything will be done for you. That's a great thing to know for the C++ interface. It's very easy to use. So now we're going to go for every pixel of the image. So we go from 0 to the total number of rows and from 0 to number total of columns of the image. And we're going to get the pixel. So basically pixel, you can get it as just saying, give me in this image at yx, it will give you the pixel at xy. And after that you get the pixel, you can access it from BGR, which is the order of the colors in OpenCV. The first one is blue, the second one green, the third one red. And then you can do whatever you want with that pixel. For example, in this case, I'm complementing the color. Unsigned chars go from 0 to 255, so I'm just doing the conversion there. And after the pixel is ready, I just write it into the process image again. So in the same position that I was reading it, I can actually put the pixel in there. And for compiling it, I'm going to use CMake. First, I'm going to show you the CMake code, which is very small. So you need to create a file called cmakelists.txt, and you need to add these lines. They're really simple. You can just copy and paste them. So you need a minimum version of CMake, and you can have a name for the project, and you have to require OpenCV, and you need to add this is the file name, and this is the executable name. and also for the libraries and the project name. So when you have that, the only thing that you need to do is to call cmake and the directory, in this case the same directory, and it will create a make file for you. So it created everything needed, and you only need to do is put make there, and it will create your executable there, cpp interface. And that's it. Now you can use the C++ interface of OpenCV using cmake